The Bryansk Front was a major formation of the Red Army during the Second World War. General Andrei Yeremenko was designated commander of the front when it first formed in mid-late August 1941, comprising, in Erickson's words, on paper 2 armies, 50th and 13th, with 8 rifle divisions each, 3 cavalry divisions, and 1 tank division, but many of these formations were badly whittled down by battle losses. Quote, 2 other armies from Soviet Central Front, 21st and 3rd Army, which had avoided encirclement at the Battle of Smolensk, were promised but also badly worn down. In late August, along with the Western Front and the Reserve Front, the Bryansk Front launched a large but unsuccessful counteroffensive in the Smolensk, Elnya, and Roslavl regions to halt Army Group Center's advance on Moscow. Despite some success by the Reserve Front at Elnya, the efforts by Bryansk Front were a failure. After the failure of the Smolensk offensives, the seriously weakened front became trapped in an enormous encirclement in the lead-up to the Battle of Moscow. Most of the troops found themselves encircled, and were fighting the way to the east, according to Dukov. On the 23rd of October, thanks to heroic efforts, they managed to break out of encirclement. On the 10th of November, the Bryansk Front was disbanded. On its second formation in late 1941 under Yakov Cherevichenko, it remained in existence for only about 6 months, being redesignated Voronezh Front on the 7th of July 1942. By the time of Operation Blau, the German summer offensive of 1942, the front comprised the 3rd, 13th, 40th, 48th Armies, the 5th Tank Army, and the 2nd Air Army. It was then reformed, then disbanded on 11-12 March 1943, and its headquarters became HQ Kursk Front after a short time, expecting to be the headquarters and the basis of the new Reserve Front. It was later reformed, and by the time of the Battle of Kursk the front consisted of the 11th, 3rd, 4th Tank, 61st, and 63rd Armies. Colonel-General Markian Popov led it to liberate its namesake town in August and September 1943. Reformed from Oral Front the 28th of March 1943. On 10 October 1943, the SDAVK incorporated most of the front's forces into the 1st Belarusian Front and used Bryansk Front's HQ to form HQ Baltic Front, which then became the 2nd Baltic Front. On the 1st of October 1944, the 2nd Baltic Front consisted of 3rd Shock Army, 79th Rifle Corps, 150th Rifle Division, 171st Rifle Division, 207th Rifle Division, 100th Rifle Corps, 21st Guards Rifle Division, 28th Rifle Division, 200th Rifle Division, 10th Guards Army, 7th Guards Rifle Corps, 7th Rifle Division, 8th Rifle Division, 119th Guards Rifle Division, 15th Guards Rifle Corps, 19th Guards Rifle Corps, 78th Tank Brigade, 22nd Army, 93rd Rifle Corps, 130th Rifle Corps, 37th Rifle Division, 155 FR, 118 terabytes, 42nd Army, 110th Rifle Corps, 124th Rifle Corps, 118 FR, 29 GTB, 15th Air Army, 14th Fighter Aviation Corps, 188th Bomber Aviation Division, 214th Assault Aviation Division, 225 Assault AVD, 284th Fighter Bomber Aviation Division, 313th Fighter Bomber Aviation Division. Front Reserve 5th Tank Corps. Commanders. 1st Formation Lieutenant General Andrei Ivanovich Yeremenko. Major General Georgy Fedorovich Zakharov. 2nd Formation Colonel General Yakov Cherevichenko. Lieutenant General Philip Galikov. Lieutenant General Nikanda Yevlampyevich Chibisov, Lieutenant General Konstantin Rokossovsky, Colonel General Max Andreevich Reta,